My people, I want to ask you all an honest question, and I need you to answer me sincerely. How many times have you wanted to post something online but you didn't? In most cases, you've already recorded your video. Some of you went extra. You have edited that video. Now you are at the point of posting, and you start calculating, you start thinking, you start staring at the video. What if I don't get views? What if people look at me out weird? What if the way I speak is not it? What if people will consider me as somebody that is not knowledgeable? What if? And you deleted that video. You did not post that video again. How many of you? Quite a number, right? I get. Now you are not alone. I have actually spoken with lots of people. I have come across people that are super knowledgeable. Guys, they have beautiful business ideas. They are, oh my god, they are so good. But the only thing is that when you mention start creating content, I have a friend and I think she will see this video. Her name is Uche. Uche is so knowledgeable. Uche is good with buying, selling. Seriously, I think if Uche should start content creation, she's going to go far. But anytime I try to mention it to her, Uche start content, she's like, no, I don't think I'll be able to do this. You know, I am not as confident as you are. And I stop to look at her. I look at them like, how? Let me tell you all something, and I need you to open up your ears and listen to me. Confidence is not the reason why people start posting. Confidence is the result they get after posting. Did you hear this? Let me take that line again. Confidence is not the reason people start posting online. Instead, confidence is the aftermath. Confidence is the result you get after posting. Do you understand what I'm saying? Nobody, I don't know, maybe a few number of them, but most people you see that are doing so good online these days, they did not start as super confident people. They didn't. They did it. I can tell you that for free. Most of them started shy. Most of them started confused. Most of them started anyhow. But at the end of the day, when you post that video, there's this confidence you get. I can always tell you this story over and over and again. When I posted my first YouTube video, or more, I was everywhere. Guys, before I started, I had friends, you know, that came, only this YouTube thing is not for you. This YouTube thing is majorly for celebrities. If you start now, you will not get views. You will not do this. You will not do that. I got that comment a lot. But guess what? It didn't stop me. In the midst of all the don't do it, I shot my first video. I recorded my first video. I edited. I posted. Immediately I post, I don't even know where this confidence came from. I started sharing this video. I shared this video to all the groups I belong to without even thinking, what would they think about this video? How will it look like? I mean, everything is just weird. That didn't come to me. I was super confident in the way I was able to pull that off. I now have a first YouTube video. Guys, confidence is not the initial result. It is the aftermath. Do you get me? Many people usually say this. I'm sorry I'm laughing, but it's funny. Many people usually say, when I become confident, I will start posting. You're lying to yourself. It is just like saying, when I become fit, I will start going to the gym. Does it make sense? You cannot be confident until you start. That is where the process of becoming confident comes in. You cannot start going to the gym when you become fit. You actually go to the gym for the process of becoming fit to, you know, start. Same thing apply. You need to start posting. You need to start recording, editing, and posting that video to build your confidence. Now, let's be honest. I kind of understand some of you. Some of you are not scared of posting. I understand. You're scared of being judged, isn't it? You're scared of being judged. Now, let's tackle each of this problem one after the other. Number one problem why you are not posting is that you're afraid people will laugh at you. You're just scared people will laugh at you. I mean, those people that will laugh at you, or those people that you think, because they may not really even give attention to that video, those people you think that will laugh at you, will they pay your bills? Answer your question. Will they pay your bills? If your answer is no, then that's not an excuse. If they are not paying your bills, then that is not an excuse at all forget about the people that will laugh at you. They may laugh at you once, twice, 3 times. When you start making that money, everybody will just shut up. I mean, look at people like Pella. When Pella started streaming online, people judged him. People looked at him and, what is this guy doing? Why is he doing this? He's doing... Today, they are calling him Olodo Uprising and all that. Yes, they have their claims, but guess what? At the end of the day, the guy is big. Look at his wedding. Just look at his wedding last weekend, his traditional marriage. It was so glamorous. It was so beautiful. Celebrities from far and near graced that particular wedding. The same Pella that people were laughing at, today people are celebrating with him. He's rocking shoulder with top celebrities in the country. What are we saying? Those people that are laughing at you, in as much as they cannot put food on your table, they cannot pay your bills, forget about them. They are irrelevant. Simple. The second thing I know that is discouraging you from posting, you tell yourself, nobody will watch my video. That's what you're saying to yourself. Nobody will watch my video, for that reason I'm not posting. Let me tell you all something, yeah? When you start, you're not going to get that views at the initial stage, but when you keep showing up, consistency. Okay, people are saying that there is somebody here talking about this and this, we are interested in this. You start getting those views, and let me tell you, you never can tell the video that will blow up. You never can tell the content that will go viral. It may just be that content you post reluctantly. It has happened to me. There is a particular video here on YouTube I posted reluctantly. In fact, after recording that video, because of the loads and loads of mistakes in that video, it made the editing time to be so long. I edited for over 6 hours, a very short video. And after editing it, I was not even feeling that video. I was like, hi, should I just delete this video and start all over again? But after some thought, after thinking about it, I just decided to post it anyhow. That video blew up. That video blew up on this channel and brought in loads of dollars, to be honest with you guys. So that's your thoughts. Nobody will watch my video. You're just deceiving yourself. Most successful entrepreneurs online, they started with not getting views, not getting comments, not getting that much likes. But when you keep pushing, remaining consistent, improving on what you're doing, getting better at what you're doing, what are you saying? In as much as there is value there, in as much as you're solving a problem, those views will come. Take that from me. The third thing you're saying to yourself that is discouraging you from posting, I am not an expert. Come on, nobody is an expert here. Nobody. In fact, you don't need to know anything to start posting. You don't need to know anything to start posting. Now imagine you're in secondary school and your younger one is in primary 2. Of course, because of the fact that you're in secondary school, you know things that your younger one in primary 2 doesn't know about. You are a step ahead. So in as much as you are a step ahead of somebody, you are an expert already. All right? In as much as you understand how to design clothes, I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to sew. I don't know anything about tailoring. You are super duper ahead of me. I mean, you are far ahead of me. In as much as you know how to style, in as much as you know how to speak French, oh my god, guys, I was trying to learn French here and there, and I was just watching some videos, some reels on Instagram, and I noticed that there are loads and loads of content creators on Instagram that are just teaching about French. And why I picked interest was that my brother told me he registered for French class. He has his reason for it, and he spent about 880,000 naira for the first level. I mean, the basic level, 880,000 naira in Abuja. And I was like, I can actually start learning this, picking this from videos, from reels I see on Instagram. And then I searched. Now my whole explore page is filled with French lessons, low Francais lessons. And guys, when I saw it, I was like, oh my god, some of these people are Nigerians, and all they are doing is creating content about French, teaching you how to say simple words in French. What are we saying? There are, in as much as you know something that somebody out there doesn't know about, or even you are a bit higher than them in terms of your capacity, in terms of the knowledge you have, come on, you are an expert already. If I learn this is a boy today in French and you don't know this is a boy, I can teach you this is a boy. I don't know if we're on the same page. So you don't necessarily need to be an expert. Just say something that is meaningful. In as much as what you're posting or the content you're creating is valuable, is solving a problem, please, you're good to go. Okay, let me share with you all few tips, about 5 of them, that will help you, boost your confidence, and it will help you to start posting. I think about 5, and these are practical tips. Number 1, start with recording short videos. Now I'm able to sit down and record videos that are up to 20 minutes and even longer because I'm used to it. But for you that you're just starting, you can start by recording Instagram reels. You can have 60 seconds, just a minute video. You sit down, face your camera, talk to your camera for just a minute, edit and post on your Instagram. If it's for YouTube, you can start with 5, 7, 8 minute videos. It doesn't have to be long. You can even do YouTube shorts. Do you understand me? So my advice number 1, or tip number 1, is start by creating or recording short videos. Tip number 2 that will help you when you're recording is start talking about things that you already know. Do you understand what I'm saying? Start talking about topics you already know. Let's say you're into importation, right? And you want to start content creation around importation. Start talking about things you already know. How to get verified supplier, how to, all this. I'm just using myself now as an example. If I'm creating most of my importation videos, I don't struggle at all. I don't even script down most of the time because these are practical things I already know, because I do them almost every single time. I'm conversant with the site. I know how to navigate the site freely. So if I'm making video around using 1688 to import from China, I flow. So that's my advice number 2. Start with topics, right, that you are used to. Start with topics that you know so that you can flow easily. Tip number 3, which is my favorite, remember that you are only speaking to your phone camera, and your phone camera is just one person. Some of you usually vision that there are loads of people that are going to see this video. Yes, and we want loads of people, we want views. If you put that in your head, if you crowd your brain with that, trust me, you will just get this phobia, you will just get this fear. Always say to yourself, it is just me and my best friend, that is my phone camera, sitting and talking. I'm not talking to any other person right now, just my phone camera. I am in this space, myself alone and my phone camera, and this is to 7 p.m. This is 6:37 p.m. So this is just me and my phone camera, nobody else in this space, nobody. So I can just talk, I can shout, I can scream, nobody will tell me stop. No, it is just me and my phone. So whenever you're recording video, just have it at the back of your mind that you're talking to your phone. There is nobody that is judging you, nobody's criticizing you, nobody's listening. Just yourself and your phone. It will help you to flow. Just be talking to your phone the way you normally talk to your friend. I mean, that your bestie, the way you could talk and you're flowing. Same thing applies. I'm talking to my phone and I'm enjoying it. I know you guys are watching. Yeah, I know, but it is my phone camera I'm seeing at this point. Do you understand? Tip number 4, stop editing forever. I mean, some of you will just spend the whole day editing. You want the perfect edit. Guys, you see these videos I'm making for 90 days. If you notice, my edit has been so minimal. I just ensure that it is bright and you guys can hear me. If I have some bullet points, I leave them on the screen and we are good to go. Not too much shalaye when it comes to the editing of this video. In as much as you guys are getting value from what I am posting, I am good to go, which I know you are, right? Let me know in the comment section, guys. So that's that. Stop editing forever. Some of you will edit. At the end of the day, you just tell yourself, this is not good enough, I will create another one. You will delete it before you create another one. Please don't do that. It is time consuming and you're not helping matters. You want push out that first video. If you want to get better, create the second one and be better at it. Do you understand me? And then my last tip is, please celebrate consistency. If you post today, you post tomorrow, be happy. Tell yourself you're doing it. Even if those views are not coming in yet, even if those likes, those comments are not dropping in yet, those engagements, don't give up. Don't give up. At least lock in for 3 months. Lock in for 90 days. Keep posting. Do you know what I even advise you to do? This is my assignment, right? I want you all to draft. See, I told you guys that content creation is a must for anybody that wants to in online, right? You need to learn how to create content. You already know that. Now, I need you to draft like a 30 days content plan you all know how to use ChatGPT right now. I need you to head over to your ChatGPT based on your niche. Ask ChatGPT to draft for you a 30 days content plan. You want to create content around so topic, right? Ask ChatGPT to draft for you a 30-day content plan. If it's for YouTube, you tell ChatGPT it's for YouTube. If it's for your Instagram reels, you tell if it's for Instagram, you tell if it is for Instagram, you tell ChatGPT the 30 days content plan is for Instagram. ChatGPT will do its thing so you can start creating content. Do you understand what I'm saying? So that's your assignment for today. Try and get it done. And tomorrow is day 13, guys. We're actually making progress. I can't wait to see you all. I love you. Mwah.